And the way expressive art therapy works is, in addition to, talking about it, in addition to verbal counseling, we also invite our bodies into the conversation. We also use the support of different art modalities, for example, music, drama, writing, any way you want to, explore or express or even contain what's coming up. So essentially, we open up way more pathways for us as self-care, for us to resource and take care of ourselves through this medium. And today's workshop is going to have a little bit of movement as well as a little bit of art, and of course, talking to each other, listening to each other at the same time. It is a complete